Okay, welcome back. This time we're going to work on a distributor. It's a Mallory dual point, just like the one that was in my car in 1984. The only thing I have to do now is just find the coil that goes with it. This is way on down the line for when we're going to need it, but it's too cold and everything else to take care of the other stuff, and it'll have to be done at some point or another. So why not do it now while we're waiting on the weather to break and to where I can get the other car cleaned up and get started. It's my lunch break. Here's my old Mallory ignition that I got when I got the wheels and stuff that I'm fixing to try to load up doing it. But you see it's got some blue on it and different things on. Cap's pretty nice shape. Probably have to clean it up, put a little polish on that thing. So I've got me some window cleaner. Gonna spray on there. Take this double-aught steel wool, and I'm gonna use that to clean it first. And double-aught steel wool is just a really good cleaner for all kinds of stuff, and it's typically, it won't scar it up real bad or anything. So let's see right here real quick. Look at that already. Clean that thing up. Get me a paper towel, see what that does. Alright, so I think I said I was using double-aught steel wool. I'm actually using triple-aught steel wool, so I got to think about it. I thought, wait a minute, I told them the wrong thing there. But I just put a little window cleaner on it and running this thing up, and I'm actually starting on the bottom here in case this don't work out to suit me. You're not going to be able to see this as much down here at the bottom and at the base of it. So if I goof up, I've not messed up something that's going to, you're going to be able to see to be hard. So let's see what we got here. Oh wow, okay, that actually cleaned up really nice. Right there you can see where I didn't get it, see where I did get it. So it looks like with just a bunch more elbow grease, then that should take care of it. Believe it or not, this is probably 5 or 6 minutes, maybe even 10 minutes sanding on that thing, and I just took the triple-aught steel wool. I did do a little place. I don't know what I done with that video with the ultrafine. Probably going to do that because it almost looks like chrome if you do that on it, but cleaned up pretty good. Wow, check it out. Is it perfect or good enough for who it's for? Nah, not yet on this project. If you look, you might not can see it, but there's some little bitty places still that's in there. Of course, it's going to be a while before this thing ever goes in the motor because I've still got to fix the car. It's been so cold, I've not been able to even go through the car. I'm going to try. It's supposed to be like in the 50s or something here. And of course, I'm from Tennessee, so anything under 50 is freezing. But the cap cleaned up real nice. I'm going to say I could probably, I'm probably take a little plastic polish we got here at the shop and polish top that up. And then I hadn't decided on if I'm going to 3000 this thing and try to put some more lines in it. But the biggest thing I wanted to do was to just make sure it's cleaned up. I think it's going to work out really nice. I can't wait till that thing's throwing sparks. So, but you got to do what you can, and this will have to be done. So that's why I'm doing it now. Well, as I said a couple times before, I'm really pleased with how well it come out. Has it come out good enough? No, it's not. I'm going to do some more to it when it gets ready to go in the motor, but that's going to be a long ways down. We don't even have the leaves and the dirt out of the car yet. So it's been too cold here to do that, but I'm really pleased with how well it come out. Can't wait